What's up everyone? I'm Jordan and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today, I'm going to show you the Cardo headset Packtalk Edge and dual pack. Developed in partnership with Cardo, the leader in wireless communication systems, the Harley-Davidson Packtalk Edge premium headset features the largest generation of Cardo Dynamic Mesh Communication, or DMC for short. With a 1 mile or 1.6 kilometer rider-to-rider range and a DMC group range of up to 5 miles, maintaining communication while on your motorcycle has never been easier. In addition to this incredible communication range, the universal Bluetooth 5.2 intercom allows you to pair with any other Bluetooth intercom headset, and the auto-reconnect ensures you don't have to manually repair if you ride out of range of your group. This Cardo kit features some Harley-Davidson exclusives such as voice-operated exchange, or VOX, functionality between rider and passenger, integrated vehicle volume control with headset control, and the HD headsets leverage A2DP protocol to provide superior wideband communication for improved call quality and enhanced voice recognition experience. This headset kit features an air mount system which provides easy and secure magnetic mounting to the mount kit on your helmet. Natural voice operation allows for Hey Cardo functionality instead of using buttons, and the automatic volume control can adjust your volume level based on ambient noise. The unique roller wheel interface and control panel allows for intuitive operation. The charging time is up to 2 hours for a full charge. However, it also has fast charging, which allows for 2 hours of talk time after only 20 minutes of charging. On a full charge, you can get up to 13 hours of talk time and 10 days on standby. Along with all those incredible features, the Cardo headset Packtalk Edge is also waterproof, which allows for all-weather communication while riding. And the 40mm JBL speakers provide unparalleled sound. The Cardo Connect app is compatible with both iOS and Android. The headset is also easy to pair with the new Harley-Davidson Skyline OS infotainment system. This kit fits most Harley-Davidson full-face and 3/4 helmets and can be compatible with half helmets with the separate purchase of the Packtalk Edge line half helmet kit. The Cardo Connect Packtalk Edge dual pack includes 2 Packtalk Edge communication devices. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you again next time.